This is your CEO Vinny once again. I just want to go straight into the deep conversation that many of us are afraid to get into, which is the life of entrepreneurship, right? Guys, I know you wish to be an entrepreneur, right? You wish to be your own boss, but what I can tell you is what we have been seeing on social media platforms and everything, myself also included. Many people look at it, and I'm just share about myself, because many of the times people get confused. They believe that I'm the guy who's already made it, who's living in suburbs around Midrand or Jurek or somewhere that you can think about it, right? Because of the online presence that I have built, the quality that I have established online, so that people may be able to be fully committed to working with me because of the quality that I provide, because of the quality that I have presented myself to them, right? So many people, they think this entrepreneurship is actually an easy thing to get into, but no, it's not easy, guys, because at the end of the day, you have to know you need money to survive, right? And while you're busy establishing those platforms or that presence that you want to establish online, there are part of times that you won't make money. That's the fact, guys. You won't make money when you're starting. You won't make money at all for this coming months or years. It depends. Myself, I took over, let me just say, a year and a half not making money online, but I was busy trying to establish my online presence and my personal brand into place. But at the end of the day, I knew the risks which were involved, and also I believe that it's gonna work for you, entrepreneurship, if also it's something that you only rely on. You don't have other things that you call writing plan B, plan A. No, it doesn't work like that. You don't need plan A, you don't need plan B. You just have to be focused fully in it. And after doing that, I'm telling you guys, you'll be able to overcome those setbacks. So those who already taken the steps into entrepreneurship, they know what I'm talking about. They know what there are challenges into that space. So guys, let us not lie also to ourselves, because at the end of the day, when you're trying to build something, people, they say you're lying because they want you to put your poverty there. They want you to always put that shack, because you're living in a shack. They don't want you to show people what you want them to see, because they say, we know you're this kind of a person. But that's not how it works when you come into entrepreneurship. You have to share to people the value that you believe that you can provide. You have to share the value that you know that you are, and at the end of the day, you know that it's possible for you to live that value. So I always provide the best value that I can. I always try my best to be on the top of my range, right? So that's how it is. At the end of the day, I cannot share content which is not at my level. At this moment, I'm in a level whereby I believe that I can make $1 million in a day. I believe that I can make millions in the coming years, right? So that's why always my content is related to that. That's why I always speak a positive mindset, right? It's in a positive direction, whereby I don't allow things that I see to make me fall back, or to make me to be negative about it, right? But I allow myself to be always positive about everything that I encounter in my journey of this success, or in this journey of entrepreneurship. Because at the end of the day, guys, you need to be positive at all times. You don't have to be positive because it allows you to be, but you have to try to be positive in all times, even though it doesn't allow you to be there, right? It doesn't allow you to do that. You have to try by all means to say, there's gonna be a better tomorrow always. We are living in the better tomorrow. But if you love the illusion that comes with it, whereby, what is the illusion? The illusion is to think because you are posting the luxury, because you're posting positive, because you're just posting, it's gonna happen. No, it won't happen. At the end of the day, the things that you're posting, you have to put them in practice. You have to see if they are working for you. You have to always try by all means. Whatever that you say online, you also try to establish that. You don't have to be perfect, guys. Remember that. You don't have to do things perfectly, but you have to try to take it one step towards that dream that you want to establish in your life, not only on a social media platform. But I believe always that social media allow us to take a first step. By just posting, you're already taken the first step. The only thing that you have to do is to bring it into existence, right? So that's how it goes, guys. I'm not yet there according to how I post, but if you learn my mindset right now, you would know that I'm already there. Because at the end of the day, it starts from here. It doesn't start from my bank account, because it has to start from here. Then my mind will establish that. I will try to work on it every day by day, get all the step in order. I remember when I was on 0-0, I used to post saying I'm closing customers, I'm closing what. But at the end of the day, it was content, building content every day by day. It costs time, so I had to do that. So many of the times you're waiting for that client so that we can post content online. You don't have to wait for a client, guys. It's online. We post everything there. Your mind, whatever you think is, just say, I'm in a meeting right now. Just post it. At the end of the day, I tell you, you gotta be on that meeting, right? Because that's why we are taking all these steps that we are taking. That's why we are posting all these things that we are posting today, because we want to believe it. We want to know that this is true. This is it's possible to live the lifestyle. It's possible to achieve these goals. So that's why, guys, we are doing that. Most of the times, don't take it personal thinking that you are behind. You're not behind at all. Just go. That's why I always love to say, inbox me if you have questions. Because me, I come clean, guys. I remember this other time there was this guy who saw one of my posts and said, "Hey, Vinny, I just love your post, man. And I believe that if you just take me through this, what you call, just give me courses or educate me in everything that you are doing. How are you able to do it? How are you succeeding? How are you doing that and that and that?" Then I told the guy straight and tell him, no, guys, I'm just building content at the moment. Actually, the reason being I came to that point is because he actually asked me a question. He said, "Where do you stay?" I said, "I stay around Mamelodi." And said, "Oh, you stay around Mamelodi?" I said, "Yeah, why are you surprised? I'm actually in Mamelodi phase 3, right? By the back of Mahube Valley side in the shack side, right?" And I said, "Ah, man, the content that you're posting right there online, it's not actually legit." I said, "No, dog, what is legit at the end of the day? Because what is legit is what you believe in, guys. Never forget that. What you believe in, it's what's gonna be real. It's what's gonna be a reality that you're gonna be seeing, and also the people around you gonna see. So at the end of the day, things have to start from nothing, guys. You have to start from nothing. So by starting from nothing, that's not to just say, boom, hey guys, I'm in break out of the shack now. I'm just wanna push the content. No, it doesn't work like that. You have to build something that people know, if I work with this person, they will take me seriously. That's why all the content, all my pitches, everything, it's up to date. It's up to quality standard, because I make sure that people who come in, they're gonna be secure and they're gonna be in a full trust with me, because that's how it works, guys. But at the end of the day, I'm gonna share with you the full story. This is enough for the day. So guys, keep on tuning in, and more content coming to you guys. I'll be sharing with you more insights about my journey on this entrepreneurship, and about my journey in other stuff that I'm planning to do, so that I will be able to make a success. I believe if you take this journey with me, we're gonna both become success, because at the end of the day, I want to eat with you guys as I eat. That's why I always say, let's eat together, guys. So it's only CEO, take it from me, Vinny Cooker.